We're out for a Friday rainy drive and I see there's auto rentals. Let's see what they have on the lot. I wouldn't mind renting a car for a nice rainy drive. Whoa! Wow, what do we have here? It's got big fat tires, Josh, and best of all, it's got Mommy's favorite exhaust.
Oh, I love it.
Yeah. Want to rent this one?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it.
Fat tires like Hubba Bubba. Oh my gosh, it's got like a chain steering wheel.
The rain decided to let up for us. Looks like it's a 71. Josh digs the fat tires. Oh, we left the window open. She's getting wet. Sweet, sweet car. Who leaves their car open?
Don't know.
Nice bamboo tray. Sweet ride.
Wait, Daddy.
Yeah.
Look at the car.
I know. This thing's all hooked up.
I really like the steering wheel.
Door closes sweet. It's got a cool profile, huh? You want to hear that stinger?
Mm-hmm.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh, this is gonna sound awesome. Here we go. After a nice warm up, you know, who knew you could still rent a classic Beetle these days? The shop was closed July 4th weekend, I guess. I don't know, so I'll just go ahead and settle up with them after the weekend. I'll try to keep the miles down. I appreciate them kicking off my July 4th weekend with a joyride and a classic VW Beetle. I wish you guys had a better day to watch, but nice through the gears, even one-handed. So I've been working on the single cab a little bit. Finally fired up the welder. Filling in a few holes. And then we get back to this. So this was a repair done by one of the previous owners. I think this thing's passed through like 3 hands. Everybody's kind of dabbled in it. I did get some metal there. So I'm going to cut that down and try to strengthen and repair this area here. You can see we've got more of the same over here. They've got it functioning, which is good. And then we come on over here and right on down the line, we gotta keep repairing. Alright guys, I haven't been recording much for two reasons. A, I'm not very good at this, and B, it's really not good for the camera welding. So I'm gonna go ahead and tack this into place, and then we'll go ahead and try and get this corner piece, use this piece for the corner piece. I'm just trying to get this thing solid enough so going down the road one day, if I ever get it going down the road, I don't have to worry about it doing any more damage to it. Did I say I wasn't very good at this? I actually didn't like where that was sitting anyway, so we're gonna do that again. Pull this corner up. Really, honestly didn't like where that was sitting. Well, that's what I've been working on for the better part of what, 7 hours? No, I'm just kidding. It's not that long. So that's it, guys. I'm pretty happy with that. I just had to get familiar with pulling the trigger on the welder again. Welding on thin, rusty metal. As you guys know, most of you is not a lot of fun, so. But I'm happy with that so far. Just getting back in the garage. I haven't been in here in forever. So hopefully I'll get in here tomorrow and we'll get a video out.
So I'm trying to film a video and I got the 2 live crew over here. So I got a text today. I have a huge favor to ask you. In capitals, huge. So I'm thinking, somebody wants me to trailer a car for them that's in like Maryland or like the upper east corner of Vermont. No, I meant Maine.
Take 3.
Take 977. All right, quiet. Quiet on the set. Hey guys, well I got a text today. I have a huge, that sounded terrible. Huge Scooby-Dooby-Doo. Quiet on the set.